sort of coming back.
Yeah, we still have more rain filling in behind the leading edge of this line of showers and thunderstorms, which is now slowly but surely sinking south and out of our area. But again, just the leading edge. What's left behind is some light to moderate rain. So the good news is it's not coming down at the 2 to 3 inches per hour that it was trying to earlier this morning. But we still have rain falling over downtown Austin, falling over Bee Cave, out towards Lakeway. I mean, this is going to be easy to see the ponding, the pooling, and the flooding because of how much rain fell earlier as that leading edge came through. Bastrop County, right now you've got thunderstorms and moderate to heavy rain in addition to Caldwell County here. These showers and storms taking their sweet time as they continue to move towards the south and the east. There's no hail, there's no damaging wind, there's no tornado threat. A lot of this is just too much rain in a short amount of time. We picked up over 5 inches of rainfall this morning out in Stonewall, out in eastern and southeastern Gillespie County. It's still raining. It is still raining out there in Fredericksburg and Harper. That's why I have a hard time justifying making you a rainfall total map when I know I'm just going to be updating those numbers every few minutes. The flash flood warnings extend from western Lee County through the bottom of Williamson County all the way through Hayes County and out into the hill country. As a reminder, flash flood warnings mean flooding is happening or it's about to happen. And we've already seen the justification there of multiple low water crossings closed, of that water rescue in South Austin. The water is pooling and it is ponding. It is still coming down at a very good clip out in Bastrop here. And it's not going to take as much, again, with more and more rain coming down here for those issues to pop up. Temperatures are in the 70s area-wide. Looking forward, I think our warm-up will be limited to only the 80s today. But if we get a lot of this rain to hold on through the morning, we might even be cooler than that. But I like the fact that this computer is still showing some spotty to scattered rain through the morning hours, maybe a little bit less in coverage this afternoon, evening, but there will be more tomorrow. More tomorrow in the way of spotty to scattered showers and storms, some of which could be tropical downpours. I mean, look at your humidity. We have plenty of moisture to squeeze out of these clouds, and the lift is there. What's interesting is the flood watch is in place until tomorrow evening. We could see isolated pockets of 8 inches or more. I mean, some of us are already halfway there, right? We're only 5 hours into the day. But what's interesting to me is we have a 2-day dry out, Wednesday, Thursday. Depending on what happens to this messy tropical low, which right now is over land, but then likely gets spit out off the coast of Texas in the Gulf here, we could potentially be looking at more rainfall Friday and Saturday from that low. So the flooding, I think the flood threat is still going to haunt us getting into Friday and Saturday if that low stays close enough to the coast. 7-day forecast, we've got rain on and off for the next several hours here with that significant risk of flooding and lightning, mind you. Tomorrow, some spotty showers and storms still left over. Here's that brief drying trend Wednesday, Thursday, but I'm going to pick up on the fact that we could potentially be looking at another flood threat with that tropical low so close to us off the coast Friday and Saturday. Highs staying in these upper 80s to low 90s late week. But again, I've dropped your temperatures in anticipation of the showers and storms being with us for most of the day today. That's a look at your forecast. Let's now get you over to Erica with the